Hey Germany, you're gonna want to hear this. Today is January 20th and it's day 331 of Russia's full-scale invasion and genocide on Ukraine. Right now, defense officials from about 50 countries are meeting in Germany to talk about future defense for Ukraine. Once again, Ukraine is calling for more arms and saying that this Russian aggression does not allow for any delays. President Zelensky is urging leaders to act now, act as if a parent is trying to save a child. Because every delay from every country's wavering decision on help for Ukraine is costing real lives. Not only the lives of Ukrainian defenders, but women, children, and elderly civilians in Ukraine. And here is the kicker. While Germany cowardly wavers on their decision to send Leopard tanks to Ukraine, saying that they just cannot make a decision right now, saying that there's good reasons for delivering the tanks, but then there's also good reasons for not delivering the tanks. Meanwhile, in the very parallel timeline in the Russian Terrorist Federation, their top media officials are in fact saying that Germany is waiting for Mother Russia with anticipation. So if German decision makers scratch their little head a little too long, Mother Russia will graciously come knocking down their door to save them too. I do hear there's a lot of Russian speakers in Germany.
Хочу сказать, что Германская Демократическая Республика вот на этой территории нынешней Германии нас помнят, любят, ждут. Я сам первый класс заканчивал в группе советских войск Германии. И несколько лет назад, когда посетил уже наш бывший военный городок, зашел там в кафе, в Гаштет. И когда вот немцы, которые, немка там обслуживала, и когда узнала, что вот я здесь мальчиком был, рос, она расплакалась, сбежалась вся немецкая семья, вот ее большая, обнимали меня и говорили, как мы жалеем, что русские ушли, возвращайтесь назад.
В Восточном Берлине, справедливости ради, многие сейчас знают русский, но давайте мы сначала разберемся с Украиной, а потом подумаем о чем-то другом.
In the words of President Zelensky himself, give us the weapons and we will do the rest. Ukraine is in fact protecting all of Europe, and the least that they could do is give them the tools to do so well. And if not, Russia will surely deploy their peaceful saviors to the rest of Europe. Please help by advocating in your country for Ukraine to get the defense tools it needs. Slava Ukraini! Heroям slava!